Make a great choice today with the 2024 Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, trip computer, clock, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, carpeted floor mats, brake assist, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.